In this video, I want to show you some of the things that we make, such as the micro logos, like the one you see right there, made in the USA. We do the high dome luminous markers with adhesive in the back. These are 2.0 millimeters in diameter, the ones you see there. We also make luminous numbers with adhesive. These are C3 white gray loom. These ones are new. We made the two wheels holding the numbers. These are rectangular with a rectangular frame, nickel plated in gold with adhesive as well. These are with like a black frame around the rectangular marker. These ones are really good. I really like these ones. They have adhesive and a metal nickel plated 0.06 millimeters thick. These are the smallest we make. They're 0.65 millimeters in diameter. These are awesome for small watches or vintage watches. This is again a logo made in the USA, also the luminous markers. These are our nickel plated logos. We have these ones in gold, silver, black. These are awesome. These are rectangular shape with gold nickel plated frame around it. These are the same but in silver. And these Rolex watches these are genuine watches. We made the printing on the dial. The rest they did it in their shop. This is for a client in Germany that wanted a specific dial on this watch. And this is how we print. I printed this one, and that's the quality of our printing right there. Also, the logos are nickel plated, as you can see right there. If you like what you see, give it a like, a comment, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Be well.